Hey everybody, it's Eddie J on crypto. Hope you're having a great day. To the families who have lost theirs to the ultimate sacrifice, I thank you. Now, I wanted to get into a couple of topics. The first one is going to be the debt ceiling. An agreement in principle has been made, and that would avert the debt ceiling crisis. There's got to be a 72-hour window for the caucuses to actually meet over the details. So I'm expecting, like, what's that? Today's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe Thursday, right? And that's if there's not too much wrangling going on, all that good stuff. And that puts us slightly ahead of the 6/5 due date that Janet Yellen has been screaming about. Notice how I didn't do that. I think it's a very big deal. I think it shouldn't have come to this level. We have debt. Our debt is not supposed to be looked at as something that you can bargain with. We spent it. Now we have to pay it, period. Everything else is fanfare and fluff. Okay? That's how it should be looked at. We came to this brink because certain people wanted to cause problems. We spent that money. Spent it. Done. 25% of our debt was done in the previous presidency. 25%, that's a big number. All of the presidencies for a long time have contributed to debt. When was the last time you saw a balanced budget? Just ask that question. So get through the debt ceiling, good. I think the market's going to pop a bit. You can already see crypto markets, popping up a bit. But that particular piece where the debt ceiling has been solved, I think is going to be the spark. Just the spark. It's not the flame. It's just the spark. It will bring on other things. Okay? Debt ceiling is going to raise people's hopes. I know a lot of people, my friend Amber for one, said, you know what, Eddie, I don't feel comfortable. I'm going to buy some bonds. Smart move. Smart move. She's like, I'm going to buy some bonds. I'm going to park it there for a little while, and new money, I'll figure out what I want to do with it. Smart. Smart. Me personally, I already have my money on the side, waiting for everything to pop off. Been doing the whole DCA thing. That's the idea. Now, had you been paying attention to me, you would look at Polygon. Now, why do I keep harping about Polygon? It's because it's one of the biggest, baddest freaking projects out there. So many projects are building upon Polygon. Now, if you've been looking over the past 7 days, Polygon just a little while ago was like 82 cents, 82.9, 82.7, something like that. It was a low number, 82 cents. If you look at it today, it's at like 92 cents. So little less than 10 cents, right? If you're paying attention, that's greater than 10%, isn't it? Even if you just said 93 cents, 8.3 cents brings you to 92 point something. Polygon is a powerful, powerful, powerful project. Powerful blockchain, right? It's a side chain. Everybody's building on it. It's easy to build on. It's reliable. It's fast. And from a business perspective, I think it's a great way to accept money, especially if you're doing e-commerce. Again, fast, integrations are there. It's just like that. They have more coming. Everybody sleeps on Polygon. Well, not everybody, but a lot of people sleep on Polygon. They don't do their own research on what is on Polygon. Pay attention to that. You have a lot of Web3 games that are on Polygon, and I know they haven't done well thus far, but in the very near future, I think they will be. Pay attention. Do your own research, but Polygon is one of those that I am big on, which leads me into China. If China opens up crypto for retail investment in Hong Kong and mainland, rumor has it it's going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, I think Avalanche, and Polygon. This is why I pay attention to it. There are some coins that just go together, that people pay attention to as a package. And Polygon is almost always in that package. Now, some of the coins I don't pay attention to, and other coins I do pay attention to. But if those coins are going to be affected by any kind of retail move by China, if those coins are the ones, you're going to see them skyrocket. You can already see movement just because of the debt ceiling. Again, people are not doing much this weekend in the United States, in the United States, because it's Memorial Day weekend. So they're not really getting into it, right? So I'm sitting back and I'm saying to myself, don't. Let it hit on Tuesday. Let the debt ceiling hit on Tuesday. What's the I just need to know, like, what today's the 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. What's that? Thursday, Friday is the first. That's when everything's supposed to happen. This is what I'm paying attention to. So for me, it's if China happens and those coins get opened up to China, you're going to see a hell of a lot of people buying those coins. And then you'll see a huge pop from there. When you talk about the fear and greed index, I think it's going to go up. The last time I reported on Friday, it was 49. I'm pretty sure it's going to go up. Pretty doggone sure. As a matter of fact, I could take a peek right now. Let's see. Fear and greed. There it is. Fear and greed is at 50. Right now it's in neutral territory. It's dead center neutral territory. I think we're going to see it hit greed. I think it's going to be green, and I think we could possibly see 60. You could see that pop. Why? Because the relief of the debt ceiling not being there. The relief. Then the hopes of something happening in China. Up again. Stock markets open up on Tuesday. Up again. That's what I'm thinking. Because it's kind of built into the markets, but it's kind of not built into the markets. And we should be paying attention to that. So I do think that, debt ceiling crisis, spark. Nice little pop. Polygon being strong, a few other coins being strong, might see some good news out of those coins. Nice little pop. China comes along, that's not going to be a pop. China comes along, that would be big. Something else people might be sleeping on. XRP. I told you last week, Brad Garlinghouse thinks that it'll be in the next few weeks that they'll get a decision, and he's pretty confident that it'll be a decision in their favor. That would be huge. Not a little huge, big huge. The kind of huge that would absolutely propel the whole market. The whole market. I don't care if it's a little win. It would propel the whole market. So again, you have three pieces of macro level moves, macro level news that can come out that can really make a difference. These are the things that I'm paying attention to these days. So with that, you have my Sunday roundup. Mona, I hope my answer on Polygon worked for you. And Amber, keep doing what you're doing. I think you're doing a great job. Anyway, it's Eddie J on Crypto. Hope you have a good one. Bye-bye.